Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa Spang 20 Vlogs, our people!
Bebe!
And Papi Deb! Hello, Papi Deb! Bruh!
Hinaantok siya. Hinaantok ka, bebe. Ayan.
Ngayong araw guys, pupunta kami sa Gold Coast. Yan, sa Gold Coast sa beach. Kasi it's spring na. Tapos na ang winter dito. Hindi na malamig. It's init na. So we're going...
Huwag kayong maniwala, malamig pa rin.
So we're going to the beach with all the mga pinsan ni Nitro. Yes, nandun sila Romeo at Naila, mga pinsan niya, tsaka tito, tita niya, si Tito PJ, ang paborito niyong tito, ang pangbansang tito. Okay, yes guys, so let's go there and Nitro's gonna have a swim in the pool. Matagal na hindi nakapag-swimming si Nitro. It's been ilang years na.
Tulog na siya.
Oh?
Tulog na siya.
Kawawa yung baby
Hindi maganda yan para mag-enjoy siya mamaya.
Ayan guys, so tara na, Gold Coast na. You're beautiful.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Tayo sa hotel ng kapatid ko. Nag-hotel muna sila. Hey baby, yes, nag-hotel muna sila kasi lumilipat sila ng bahay. Hindi pa ready yung sunod na bahay nila. Oh baby, Nitro. Wow! Nitro. Look at that. It's the pool. We go for swim? Wow. Woohoo! Ganda, di ba? Nitro's gonna go swimming. Hey! Ayan, nandun mga pinsan ni Nitro. Oh, meow! Uy! Hindi! Hello! Hello! Woohoo! Hi, Mr. Suave! Bigote! Hello! Hello!
Hello, you're finished. Ganda mo! Ganda mo!
Ayan, nagbibihis na po si Nitro.
Wow!
Excited
na masyado.
Mahal mo si Daddy. He wants to go swimming.
Bebe, Nitro, oh my gosh, it's so hot.
Alright, Nitro. Come on, let's go. Let's go,
Daddy.
buddy. Come on. Let's go.
Nitro! 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 Yoo-hoo! I think because he just woke up. Is it because he just woke up?
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Nitro, the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball, Nitro. Uy. Ano ginagawa mo, Nitro? Ano, Naila? Nitro. Nitro, look, it's a bucket. You put sand in the bucket. You put sand in the bucket. You put sand in the bucket, Romeo. Yay. Nitro, you put sand in the bucket. Look. Ooh, what's that, baby boy? Huh? What's that? Oh.
Ako, nandito ako. Kasi, mainit. Lalayas ang bebe. Look at them. Where are they going?
Nitro, where are you going, buddy? Hey? You going with Romeo? You're stealing the car. Ninanakaw ni Baby Nitro itong pushcart na to. Tsaka ni Romeo. Wala. Mga magnanakaw na bebe. Mga magnanakaw. You pushing the cart, Nitro. Pushing the cart. Woohoo! Oh, dead end. You hit the door. We'll have to go back. Balik tayo. Balik na. Balik na, Nitro. Balik na. Oh, careful, careful. Careful. Balik na. Oh, careful, careful. Oh, 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 oh. Pushing the car. Pushing the car. Pushing the car. Nakakatawa ng mga bulilit na to. Hanggang kailan ka, Baby Nitro? Hanggang saan mo iduduso yung park, Nitro, ha? Hanggang saan? Uy! Nitro! Nitro! Saan ka papunta? Where are you going, Romeo? Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, are you? You have fun, baby? Ang galing ni Baby Nitro. Push pa more. Push mo yan. Ayan. Nagpahinga muna si Baby Nitro. Pinapahirapan mo yung pinsan mo, Nitro. Pinapahirapan mo siya. Uy, matamad. Tamad na si Baby. Is that fun, Nitro? Ang bait ng pinsan ni Nitro, no? Ang babait. Oh!